What is this? What is it? Come on, you want some? Come on. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Almost there. Pull yourself up. Good job. Move a little bit. More. Good job. More. Here. Here.
He didn't let go now. He says I got to it. Come on.
No cheating here. Go.
Here.
Get it. Oops. Hey, you're doing a good job. Come on.
He says I can taste it. He said I can almost taste it. It's so close.
Come on. Come on, Caleb. Oh. You're like mommy, you love chocolate.
He's like, I'm almost there.
Go,
Got the whole
Caleb.
stretching thing going on.
I know, he'll be tired.
Hello?
Good job.
Don't let him put his fingers in it.
No,
Yes,
I
sir.
wanna...
Don't let him put his